Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today. I have a little of this and a little of that and one thing from here. I figured I would show it all to you in one video. Before we get started, I have a few Lawless products on today. I am wearing Tropic, which is this shade right here. And this is a neutral with a, I don't know what the undertone is. And then from the watermelon collection, I have the watermelon, Forget the Filler. I think it's Forget the Filler. Like it's a little bit of the plumper watermelon balm on top. Just feels so good. So I figured I would share that with you from Lawless. Don't want this to fall. I want to do the first thing. And I have a bag of goodies here from Dollar General. I happened to go in there for one item. Came out with the one item, but of course I came out with my receipt looking like this, you know, like all these items, and was clearly not my intention, but things caught my eye, and I thought they were adorable, so let me share them with you. Oops, come on out. I got these two right here. And these they're probably more particle board-ish. Two little flowers, the sunflower, and then just, you know, a regular white flower. These were $3 each. You can see the thickness. I figured perfect for behind me. I was maybe going to pop them for now, because these I could use for like summer decor. I'm just pop these behind me. Okay. Let's see, and just, you know, put them behind me for right now. This way I could utilize those. They were, like I said, $3. And then for the fall, which is going to be here before you know it, and I do have a few fall things, but I saw these and had to get them. Thought these were adorable. One is white, and then this one is more like the orange tones. The pumpkins, these were $3 each also. You can see the thickness. These are adorable. And the front is all like just leaves, you know, fall leaves. So I'll put them away until the fall, and then put them up with like my pumpkins and my things that I put in my brush holders that I have from years past. Then I saw these, and these were only $1, and I had to get them. The little pumpkins, you know, the same thickness. This one says Autumn. This one says, this is green. This one says Gather. And then this one is like your, you know, your rust color, like burnt orange, and that says Hello. So for, you know, putting these all, I can get rid of that bag, with the pumpkins, you know, I think would be adorable. And then I could still leave the flowers if I chose. And put some of the other stuff up that I have. Then I also bought, because I get my birthday card clubs at Dollar General, because the cards are a little nicer quality, but they're only $1. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14 cards. So that's $14. And then the other items, you know, $3 and $1, $30. I spent $29 for 14 cards, which, you know, and then these cute little things, which I thought was adorable. So I wanted to share that with you real fast. I also wanted to share with you my Stitch Fix 67, which you have seen already. I did exchange the STS blue jeans, the ones that were cuffed, for a size 8. The ones I got were a size 10, and they were too baggy, too big in the waist. These are perfect, perfect, perfect. I know I'm leaning more towards the 8s than the 10s, but still, every once in a while, depending on the brand, the 10 is okay. Could I go to the 8? Yes. Almost every pair of jeans is going to give after the first time you wear them, after a few hours. So I technically, you know, really should, because anything that I have that is a 10 is just way too baggy. Like I have shorts on today that are a 10. They're just way too big and baggy, and they're drawstring, and I have it as tight as possible, and I could just pull them straight down. You know, like they're just too big. I am truly an 8. So I did, you know, get these, and these came before I actually sent my bag back. They know I'm going to send my bag back. So maybe my next Stitch Fix, I'm not going to try on anything today. just not feeling it. But when I do my 68 for Stitch Fix, I will hold these out because I won't wear these just yet until it gets a little cooler. So I'll save these and share them in 68 and show you them on much better fit. The legs aren't as baggy and as big. It just fits overall so much better. But the star of the show today is my Yensa PR box that I got from them. Thank you so much for sending this over. I greatly appreciate it. So, you know, they always put a little card in for Yensa and a little package. They sent over a few products, which I'm always grateful for to get. Ooh. So I'm trying to think what her first name is. Jennifer, maybe? Jennifer Yen. She's the founder and owner of Yensa. They, beautiful woman. I don't know if this is her. It doesn't look like her. They have a beautiful woman on the side. I'm not sure if that's her or not. I don't think so. So they sent me over a backup. Oh, how nice. Skin on Skin BC Foundation. Medium neutral. So this is a backup. Oh, good. Perfect. Medium neutral. This is what it looks like. Let me show you mine that I have and I've been using. Oh, if I can reach it. Oh, thank God it's on the end. Here's mine. Medium neutral. And this is a pump. I'll put a little bit on my hand just to show you. All closed. So there it is on my hand, and I'll blend it in. I do have a little bit of bruising, but I'll blend it in and show you how nice this looks. And, you know, that was enough for, you know, like a section of your face, but this hand has it, this doesn't. This is seems very like dull and dry, and this has a little bit better coverage. Like you don't see all the blue in my hand here, covered up nice, and it just gives you that little bit of like glow. Not like glowy, dewy, where you look like you've been sweaty. I remember to bring wipes. Kind of figured this would be makeup. But I like the look of that. I'll leave that on my hand because there's a couple products that I want to put on top of it to see how they layer. So let's get rid of that. Of course, wet hands. Also, did you know that the same owner of Yensa is also the founder and owner of Pure Lease? I did not know that till just recently prior to getting this box. And I did not know that this was her first company. I think, when I was trying to think, it was 2008 she started this company. And Yensa is a much newer brand for her. And this is Blush Glow BB Cheek Color, Vitamin E and Hyaluronic Acid, Creamy, Lightweight, Buildable Youth Glow for all skin types. I don't know if there's a shade name on here. I can't see it if there is. So we'll open this up and see what this looks like. Okay, so here's the packaging right there. And I have the foundation on this hand, and that feels so nice. Let's put a little bit of this on. I'll come over here with that. Maybe a little bit more so you guys can see it. And that's a pretty pink, which I don't mind, the pretty pinks right here. And I'll just blend it out with my finger and see. I want you to be able to see it. So that's a pretty pink, but you could really, you know, blend it out to something much softer. And I'm just taking some of it away and coming like over here, so you could go super light, as heavy as you like. Obviously I would not use my finger for cream blush. I would use a brush. There's one more product in here. I'm gonna take this off because I don't want to get be able to get the next product on my hand. I guess I could go the other hand also, but we'll take that off. And then the next item in here that they were so kindly so kind to send to me is from Yensa, and this is a silk bronzing base. I don't have this. I don't know a shade. 8 Super Black Essence. You go for a natural sun-kissed glow, a lightweight silk cream bronzer, infused with 8 age-defying black superfoods to give you a natural and healthy glow. Yeah, Jennifer Yen. I knew that was her first name. Oh, nice. Nice, beautiful packaging. This just says, Sunlit Glow is, and it says Silk Bronzing Base. Let's see what this looks like. This is obviously a cream. So it has one of the covers. So, you know, make sure you keep them and put that back on. That smells wonderful. It really does. That's what it looks like. I don't like sticking my finger. I am not going to put my fingers in it. I don't have, do I have something that's a little stiffer here? I don't know if I can reach. Let me see if I can reach my e.l.f. brush. Okay, I could. I love this e.l.f. Complexion Duo brush. So I'm going to put this in here and just get some on. I don't need a ton, so it's on there. And I'm just going to put it on. Oh, that's pretty. I mean, that is on my hand and you could barely see it. Nice. So it's light. Is it buildable? Yeah, it's buildable. Oh, I like that. And this is a great brush for that. And you can stipple it. You can just swirl it around. Oh, I'm going to have to try that. Not today, because it's towards the end of the day. I'm going to be taking my makeup off. I think I have to try that first thing tomorrow. I like that because it's not super, it's not giving me like a muddy look, but it's just giving me that little hint of bronzer. And I like. Thank you so much, Yensa. I'm just going to put you here so that I take you into the bathroom. It's a beautiful bronzer, cheek, and then a refill for my foundation, which I have been loving. So once again, thank you, Yensa, for sending this box over to me. I greatly appreciate it. And maybe the next video I do, I won't have blush on or bronzer, and make sure I use the Yensa primer and foundation, and then I'll put the blush and the bronzer on. I'm not, like I said, I would do it today, but I don't like to waste product, and I am literally going to film 1 or 2 more things, and then it's PJs, and, you know, get ready for bed. It's already late, and, I mean, it's not super late, but I'm just tired. It's just been exhausting for me, so I just want to relax and, you know, take the makeup off and cleanse my face and get the skincare on and do all that good stuff. So I will try it in the next video I film. So I have 2 more to film today, so the next time I film, I will use these products for sure. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all in tomorrow's video. Bye for now.